Next, given below are the steps of construction of a pair of tangents to a circle of radius 6 cm from a point on the concentric circle of radius 8 cm. Find which of the following is incorrect. See, what have we to do? First a circle of 6, then circle of 8. We have to take one point B on this and draw tangent to this from B to this inner circle, right? So let's start. Take a point O on the plane, draw a circle OA 6 and another circle, concentric circle OB 8, means center is same O, right? Okay, step number 1 correct. Step number 2, find a midpoint A of OB. Now what is this midpoint A? How can a midpoint be A? We have already told A cuts this circle at this inner circle, right? Means this line, the radius is A. So A can't be the midpoint of OB. We need to, the statement should be find a midpoint X, means some midpoint X of OB, and draw a circle BX equals to XO. Suppose the circle intersects the radius 6 at P and Q, means it will be like this. It should be like this. See this XO, XB, then circle drawn, cuts P and Q, draw P, BP and BQ. These are the steps. So step 2 is wrong. It should be X over here. And step 3 is okay. So B is the right answer. Means step 2 is wrong. Next, which of the following steps of constructions are incorrect while drawing a tangent to a circle of radius 5 and making an angle of 60 degrees with the line passing through the center? We want a circle of radius 5 and then a line passing through the center.